I wonder how long they've been blowing up for. Oh gosh, rubbish again. Oh gosh. Oh shit, what's going on there?
Brum biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is a Brum biker, Brum rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. Ay, 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 ay. I remember I used to come over this way right here quite regularly still. So anyone that wants to come over this side of town, it's a 45 bus from Birmingham city centre. Paprika breakfast. This is the thing, you know, every time I come out it always catches me when it's breakfast time. What I try to do is I try not to eat before 10 o'clock in the morning. Might need to switch that up though still. Stirchley family. Hey family, I was meant to ask you guys here, what do you think about the intro? So the idea was to get together as much videos as possible, and then when I got enough in the catalogue, I'll just have a go at chopping them up and turn it into an intro. Music wise, it's all courtesy of all the mixing and stuff like that. It's courtesy of my brother, Artist. If you want to know anything about them man, there's music. He has got a catalogue. He's got catalogue on top of catalogue on top of catalogue. Obviously that beat was a beat that is quite generic, anyone can use it. But obviously the lyrics and stuff, that was him. He done that for me. But if you go on TikTok, Artist, R-T-I-S-T, it might be Artist Official, I cannot remember. And even on YouTube, he's got a lot of music on there, but he's got literally probably thousands that he hasn't even come out with yet. So we have to big up RT as a musician in general. You get me? Because definitely really, really good at what he does. Yeah, the man there, he does it for fun. Do you know them way there? You know, like when someone who just enjoys blazing or something just wakes up in the morning and in blaze a draw, the man that wake up in the morning, write some tunes, you know what I mean? Write songs, do you know what I mean? So he's a songwriter, engineer, producer, mix, master, he does everything all himself. So we have to big up them man there every time. You get me? Every time, man. I don't understand the whole music industry like that, you get me? But yeah, he's definitely, yeah. What you want to do, yeah, is go into his playlist on YouTube, yeah. And there's a few favourites. A couple of on this video. A few favourites, like one of them is like Kimberly. Gonna chick like Kimberly, do, big oi. I don't know if he actually made that tune there. You get me? But I definitely know say wrote it and that. You get me? Big tunes, man. If you go over there, yeah, tell him Brum Biker sent ya, and let me know which one's your favourite track. Just go over there, man. It's got loads. But a lot of them are kind of old. But let me know, man. What's your best track? Which one? You get me? So yeah, man. Once again. Big up artist official. Yeah, my G. In fact, I'ma tag him in this video, man. Go and find him on TikTok as well, man. He spits out bare jewels if you're into like the music and stuff like that, man. He's over there having fun. Do you know what I mean? Every now and again, I don't know when he does it exactly, but he does lives on TikTok where he's actually making songs like live and direct. You get me? You go over there, man, just tell him that Brum bike I send you over there. You get me? But anyway, yeah, man, stay tuned for the next bit of this video.